In this video, I will show you how to create scroll to section in Flutter web application as shown. So here I have created a simple Flutter web. In the app bar, there are 3 clickable text widgets which will scroll to respective section below. When it's clicked, and this is how it looks. Before we dive into the code, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So in my Flutter code, I have created an app bar with a title and 3 text widgets in the action parameter. Each text widget is wrapped with a gesture detector widget. While in the body parameter, I have created 3 container widgets with different background colors, green, blue, and red, as shown in the web page. Now, in order to create the scroll to section effects, firstly, we have to create global keys for each section. Since I have 3 containers, I will create 3 unique global keys. This global key is used to differentiate the sections. Now place each unique global key into respective container key parameter. Next, we have to create a function to scroll the web page, and I will name it scroll to section function. This function takes a global key as parameter. Now to scroll to that specific section, we have to use scrollable.ensureVisible function and pass in the global key context. This function also allows us to modify some attributes such as duration and curves. Lastly, we just have to call this function in the onTab function of each text widget. Make sure you pass in the correct global key that the container represents in each text widget. Now let's try it out in the web page. So as you can see, when I click on specific text widget, it will automatically scroll to that section. Conclusion: this is how you create scroll to section effects in Flutter web. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.